Welcome back to DAX Guides for Text Functions. I'm Justin from Pragmatic Works, and we're going to take a look at both the lower and the upper functions in DAX. We'll do these together because they're simply opposites. What they do is they convert text to either lowercase or uppercase. The syntax is lower followed by the text in question, or upper followed by the text in question. The return is the text all in lowercase or all in uppercase. These functions in DAX can help clean data in the Power BI desktop due to disparities between how data is entered and how it is stored. So perhaps we can check, for example, if someone is supposed to have entered their data in all uppercase, we can simply ensure that that in fact did happen. So some real world scenarios. Lower makes it easier to perform case-insensitive comparisons and joins in your data model, especially for systems where email addresses are stored in mixed case. Another example would be for uppercase. It might be used to prepare lookup fields for case-insensitive matching across datasets with inconsistent capitalization. We just make them all uppercase. So just a brief note, the numbers in the text string are not affected. So if the text string has any numbers in it, they remain unaffected. All right, let's head over to Power BI and take a look at lower and upper. All right, here we are in our Power BI report, and we can see that we are on our lower and upper page. What I want to do here is we'll do one then the other. Let's start with a real use case for lower. So let's head over to our customer table, and just scanning the customer table, we might want to, for example, look at their education in lowercase, insert that into a communication with the customer or into a report where we don't want these words capitalized. So what we could do is make a new column. We'll call this education lower. And we will use the lowercase function. So this converts all the letters in the text string to lowercase. So you can think about your real life use case scenarios here. But we're going to reference that English education and close that off. And we'll have a new column here where the education is in lowercase. So if we wanted to make a visual here just to compare, let's do a table, and we'll do English education and education lower. So you can see what the difference is between these two. For uppercase, perhaps we want to envision one of our previous visuals in all uppercase. So for example, let's go over to our demo data set for text functions, and maybe we make our product list or even our abbreviation. Perhaps we can make our product abbreviation all capital, right? So let's do that, new column, and we'll call this product. And we will say, remember we're using parentheses in this case just to give ourselves a little bit more information as to the name of the column. So the parentheses are not, the DAX function comes after the equal sign. So in this case, we're going to use upper. So let's see, we have a product abbreviation column. So product abbreviation, there, we found it, and hit enter. All right, so now we have our product abbreviation, but we also have it in uppercase in case we want to visualize that a little bit differently. So let's do a pie chart again, and let's put on there, let's see the price and the product abbreviation upper, and we can see that in comparison with, take away the upper and put the regular product abbreviation. So now we can decide which one we like better and keep the one we like and put that on a report. That was upper and lower, and I'll see you in the next DAX Guides module.